snack time, Jackson? Goodness. Me too. Well, we made it, didn't we, Jackson? Made it to Hot Springs, Arkansas. We're gonna eat it here at Fisherman's something. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyways, over there, I guess. So, we're gonna have a good time. What do you guys think of?
I was gonna do that. Okay, 5-star being, of course, the best. 1-star being the worst. Where would you guys have rated that restaurant?
3.
Hannah?
Turn left onto Grand Isle Drive.
Yeah, I give it a 3.
I give it a 3-star.
Are we gonna give our reasonings or?
Mine
I
just
think we should give a full review.
okay. So mine was just that all the food kind of tasted the same. And the description was wrong. I mean, mine, like I said, it wasn't stuffed shrimp. It was a piece of shrimp with a crab cake on top of it.
Turn right onto Central Avenue.
Mine
No, they
was.
roll my sandwiches, 2 months later, and stuff all
If he had a salad on his.
Yeah, a sandwich where one piece of fish, one small piece of fish, and the rest of it was lettuce.
Lettuce. Like lots of lettuce, not just a little bit. Lots of lettuce.
The 1 hour wait time for our food really definitely took away a star for that.
The waitress sucked.
Yeah, our waitress just didn't hang around at all. Like, I think she checked on us a total of 3 times.
Yeah, that's why she did not get a very big tip.
And the menu definitely said 3 tacos, and I got 2.
Really?
Yeah, it for sure said 3.
Either way, 3 stars.
See, I'm thinking
Okay.
3 was a stretch for it. I was thinking more of a 2. But, yeah. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but for...
What are we playing? Do you want to try the King Kong one? You want to try the King Kong one? You got it, Dan. Oh, let's see. Let's see it. Did you get it? Oh, there you go. Look at that. Hey. Let's see. Show us. Yeah. It's like, I'm the one who knocks, right? This is our area. I think we're going to the Science Museum today, aren't we, Hannah? Yeah. All right. So, the kids at the Science Museum hang out around there. And then, arcade again. We did the arcade yesterday. We didn't video a whole lot, but we'll get some more stuff at the arcade today. I think Emily's shooting for a diamond sword and what was the second thing she was wanting?
What?
A diamond sword and what?
Vampire teeth.
A vampire teeth. So we're gonna win those, about 800 tickets. But today we're going to the Science Museum, and then we'll be heading to the arcade again. So we'll see you there.
Well, it just says that I There's X a lot.
Those are pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah, it looks like a beaver.
Beaver.
It's a mammoth. It's a mammoth.
Pretty cool.
What are these called? Meerkats. Meerkats.
I think those are meerkats.
What are you, Mama?
They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool, though.
Yeah, it make it go real fast.
It looks like a snow blizzard.
Jackson, what do you think, Jax? Yeah? You having a good time? Jackson.
Isn't that cool? You got that slow in. Nice. You move at the same time. Look at it without. And look.
Isn't that cool?
No, let's go to the other side.
Put a ball in the short tube and use the clear tank to load it.
All the balls are down there. Look, Daddy.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. It's like a little picture show over here.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Good. Rolling and it's a sheet.
What is
Pretty cool, ain't it? It's super cool. Oh, man. No, no way.
Nina!
got it, Em.
Mom!
You got it, baby.
They're not brave like you are.
And here she comes. You got it.
Good job, man.
See? Easy.
You're brave. Let's see if your mom can do it.
Come on, Mom.
Come on, King Jesus.
On my way.
Is it scary? Are you guys did it? Maybe y'all should do this one.
Good job.
That was really scary.
She must prove yourselves worthy first, Father. A little challenge I have set up. Not just any dragonologist to invent all the various kinds of dragons that are depicted here. There are 8 in total, and your document will help you locate them.
Did you? Oh, good job. She found one already. She got one. I know those scary dragons. So your head's in the way. Oh God, they're fighting. Oh, what a heck of a show, right, Jax? Tickle one. Well, you guys are on a boat in the middle.
You must be my new apprentice. Let's get started. You need to get that player hot enough to hatch those dragon eggs. If that player don't get hot enough, those dragon eggs won't hatch, and I may have to find myself a new apprentice. Hey, listen close. When I tell you, start pumping that bellows bit. The faster you go, the hotter the fire will get. Are you ready? All right then, get to pumping.
job, man.
We have to sing it.
Come on, Jax. Hey, help him sit on the slide. You got him here? Oh God! Oh, help me! Whee!
Attention visitors, the next show in the Tesla Theater will begin in 15 minutes. If you do not have tickets to the show, there is no time to purchase tickets at the museum store. Again, the next Tesla...
Catfish. You see him back there?
There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4. Okay, because there's someone in the middle of there. Yeah. Fishy, 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 fishy.
He does not look interested. That's true. He's
Probably gets
So we're going dino track. We're gonna go track through some dinosaurs. Yeah. Dinosaur time. Well, how's it? I'm hot and sweaty. Pushing Dad. Anyways, where we headed? I know, to eat, but where at? Some kind of barbecue place, like Blue Diamond? Blue Buffalo? Blue Stallion? Blue Monkey ain't Blue Monkey. Blue Amber. Alright, I'm hungry. Did you have fun? Tired? Me too. We'll see you there.